Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to be a Capcut creator. We'll cover what the program offers, the simple steps to get started, and how you can begin sharing your creative templates. This guide will help you navigate the application process smoothly, ensuring you have all the necessary information to become a successful Capcut template creator. To apply, first ensure you are 18 years or older and reside in an eligible region, like the US or UK. You'll need a Capcut account and some strong video edits to showcase your skills. Navigate to the Templates section within the Capcut app or visit the official website to find the application form. Fill in your details, including your Capcut ID and links to your best work, then submit. After submitting your application, the Capcut team will review your profile and content. This process typically takes 2 to 4 weeks. If approved, you will receive an official confirmation email. To increase your chances, ensure your submitted videos are creative, high quality, and demonstrate a good grasp of Capcut's editing tools. Remember, you often get 2 chances to apply. As a Capcut creator, you can earn money based on how often your templates are used and exported. You'll also gain access to an exclusive community, offering tips, trends, and inspiration. To maximize your success, create original, high-quality templates, stay updated on trending styles, and regularly contribute new content. This program is a fantastic way to monetize your editing passion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.